Have you ever seen that cool effect where text looks like it's sitting behind a person in a video and wondered how to do it? In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create that effect in Canva. And it's easier than you might think. First, open Canva and start a new design. Then upload the video you want to use for your project. For this example, I'll use a clip I downloaded from Pexels, but you can choose any video you like. Place the video on your page and make sure it fills the canvas. Now here's an important step. Duplicate the video you just added and drag the copy right on top of the original. You want the two videos to be perfectly aligned, so it looks like nothing has changed. Next, select the top video layer and click on Edit Video at the top. From the tools that appear, choose Background Remover. Canva will process the video and remove the background, leaving just the person or subject in the frame. This gives us exactly what we need. One version of the video with the full background and another version with only the subject. Now it's time to add some text. On the left toolbar, click Text and type in whatever word or phrase you'd like. I'll use the word beautiful because it fits the scene. Choose a bold font and a strong color so the text really stands out. Bold letters work best for this effect. To place the text behind the subject, select the text box, then click on Position at the top. Use the backward option until the text moves behind the person but stays above the background video. Now you can clearly see the text tucked neatly behind your subject, just like in those cinematic edits. For the finishing touch, let's add some motion. With the text selected, click on Animate and explore the options. You can choose anything you like, but I think the baseline animation looks especially smooth for this effect. Once you're happy with the result, preview the video to make sure everything looks natural. Then download it and it's ready to share anywhere. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Canva tips. And I'll see you in the next one.